Good morning, dear students. We have started with the star sprinter lesson in the last class itself. So now we are going to continue with this chapter. In the last class, we were talking about Nizar Ahmad's story. So his parents, they said he had a ridiculous dream of becoming India's best athlete. Running helped Ahmad cope with discouragement and distress. When he realized he could win races, he was determined to do better and better. He even ran barefoot in school competitions. So the meaning of cope is a deal with hard situation or event. So the meaning of distress is a feeling of great worry or unhappiness. So the distress is unhappiness. Running helped Ahmad cope with discouragement and distress, the unhappiness. When he realized he could win races, he was determined to do better and better. He even ran barefoot in school competition. So here, when he realized that he will be winning in the race, all the races, so he was putting more effort to that, and he was doing better and better by winning the competitions. His talent was first spotted by Surinder Singh, his physical education teacher. Singh was selecting the school team to participate in the zonal competition in 2013, and he wanted a sprinter. Ahmad was the obvious candidate. He struck gold in the 100-meter event. Singh told him to participate in the 200 race as well. Ahmad came second. Then he noticed the boy lacked stamina. So here, students, his talent was first spotted by Surinder Singh. So when he was running on the competition and all, so the sports teacher will be watching, right? So the sports teacher, the physicals teacher. So the first spotted by, it was seen by that Surinder Singh. So Surinder Singh, he is a physical education teacher, and Surinder Singh, the teacher, was selecting the school team for participate in the zonal competition in the which year, in the 2013, and he wanted a sprinter. Ahmad was the obvious candidate. So he wanted the student like who runs very fast on the track. So in that, Ahmad was the obvious candidate. Ahmad was very fast in running, so he was selected. And Ahmad was struck in the gold medal in the 100-meter itself. He even tried in the 200-meter also. Now the Surinder Singh, the teacher, was told him to participate in the 100-meter also and in the 200-meter also. So when he participated in the 200-meter, so Ahmad came second place. So Ahmad came in the second place. Then he noticed that the boy lacked stamina. So he was capable of taking a first place itself, but the boy lacked with the stamina. The sports teacher, the physical education teacher, was noticed with that. What is stamina, students? Stamina is a physical and mental strength. What Ahmad needed was runner's diet packed with proteins and vitamins, but his parents could not provide that on their meager income. His father makes a living by ferrying goods from factories on a cycle, rickshaw, and his mother works as a domestic help. Singh decided to help him materially, and Ahmad was able to score victory after victory. He soon drew the attention of athletics coach Sunita Rai. She started training him at the Katrasal Stadium. His daily routine was fixed: prayers, exercise, school, and practice with the coach. So here, student, what Ahmad needed was, so when he was lost with the stamina, right? So he came in the second place. So what he was need the what Ahmad was needed? He was needed a runner's diet pack. Pack means with the full of proteins and vitamins he needed, but his parents were very poor, right? So his parents were could not provide that proteins and vitamins for him, so not provide on their meager income. So what is the meaning of meager? So on the small amount, so could not provide that on their small amount income. His father makes a living by ferrying goods from factories on a cycle, rickshaw, and his mother works as a domestic help. So his father works as a ferrying goods from factories on a cycle or the rickshaw, and his mother works as a domestic help. So Singh means Surendra, that is a physical education teacher. Surendra Singh decided to help him materially, and Ahmad was able to score victory after victory. So the sports teacher was helped to the Ahmad, and he was able to score victory after victory. He was able to score the victory means he was winning, and he soon drew the attention of athletics coach Sunita Rai. So after winning it, he soon drew the attention of the athletics coach. So there was an athletic coach for students. So for Ahmad, so Sunita Rai was the she was good at athletics, and she taught him to what to do, and the run, how to run, and she was giving the exercise to him. So she started training at the Katrasal Stadium. So she was started training to the Ahmad. And Ahmad's daily routine was prayers. First he was doing the prayers, then exercise, then school, and the practice with this coach. With this coach means, what is the coach name? Sunita Rai. Ahmad faced the first big obstacle when he got back from the 61st National School Athletics Championship in Kazigode in February 2016. He contracted the dreaded chikungunya. He also had severe muscle injuries. He could not lift his legs and was bedridden for 4 months. Here, Ahmad faced the first big obstacle when he got back from 61st National School Athletics Championship in Kozhikode in February 2006. So the Ahmad got the championship, the 61st championship in Kozhikode in the month of February year 2016. He contracted the dreaded. So he contracted the feared chikungunya. So he had a severe muscle. The Ahmad was attacked by chikungunya, and he has had severe muscles injuries, and he could not lift his legs. So the Ahmad could not lift his legs, and he was bedridden for 4 months. He was bedridden.